Ready to ace the Coursera Data Visualization with Tableau Project and showcase your skills? First things first, carefully review the project instructions and the datasets provided. Understand what the project expects you to accomplish. What questions are you trying to answer? Identify the key performance indicators, or KPIs, you'll need to visualize. Make sure you have the Tableau software installed and ready to go. Now, it's time to connect to your data. Use the appropriate connection type, whether it's a CSV file, Excel spreadsheet, or a database. Once connected, drag the relevant tables into the data pane. Take a close look at your fields. Properly identify numerical and categorical data. Drag and drop your fields onto the rows and columns shelves to start building your visualizations. Experiment with different chart types: bar charts, line graphs, maybe even a scatter plot. Remember to choose the chart type that best represents your data and insights. Use color to highlight key trends and patterns. Next, create a dashboard. Drag and drop the sheets you've created onto the dashboard canvas. Resize and reorganize the charts to create a clear and compelling layout. Add interactive elements like filters and parameters so viewers can explore the data on their own. Consider using a title and descriptive subtitles. Finally, fairly test your project once completed. Make sure your visualizations are accurate, easy to understand, and answer the questions outlined in the project requirements. Double-check your dashboard's interactivity and readability. Once you're satisfied, save your project and submit it.